If you don't have one and you would like one, please get one from the entrance where you came through, as my lovely assistant is demonstrating. And of course, I would like to thank our judges who are presiding over this section. Of course, they are David Hornick from August Capital, thank you. Freddie Minnie of NetVibes, thank you. Orla Alaversen, I hope I didn't, thank you. And of course, Robert Scoble, last but not least, of FastCompany.tv. If I could have Producteev, who are up next on stage, please.
Les Producteev, c'est parti.
And thank you, Boxnet. And in the meantime, if Connor Live could set up when Boxnet, what's the word? Disconnect, I'm looking for. Okay, well, if no further ado, I will hand you over to Producteev. Thank you.
It's good to be right after Box.net. It's a huge service and I love it. So hi everyone, I'm Ilan from Producteev.com. I'm the founder and CEO. We are located in New York, USA. But as you can hear, I have a huge French accent, so I'm French. How did I come up with the idea of Producteev? You know, I was seeing a lot of startups collaborating on big boards, big, physical boards, with post-its everywhere on it. So the idea came from here, and I think it was a good way to get organized back in the 90s. But now we have to come up with a different way to manage tasks for teams. So this is Producteev. This is a task management application for teams and groups that is connected to all of your existing communication channels. IMs like Gtalk, MSN, Twitter, your mobile, so we have a Nokia application that we're announcing today, an iPhone application coming up, your desktop with an Adobe Air application, email. So we are basically connected to everything that you're currently using to manage your work, your life, and thanks to these tools, we basically improve the way you collaborate with your colleagues, and you're going to see in a minute how does it work. All right, so let's go to the demo online. So as you know, we don't have a very good internet connection, but hopefully we had a 3G key. So this is the interface. I built the Seismic and LeWeb team. This is Loïc Lemer's dashboard. It's obviously a fake, but it could be a real one. So basically, as you can see in the interface, you have a bunch of boxes everywhere, all around the place. Looks like NetVibes. We love NetVibes too, and you can basically drag and drop the boxes everywhere within the interface. Every box represents a project, a to-do list, or a category. It could be whatever you like. So if I want to add a new box, a new project to my website, just click on the plus sign, then I can rename it. Let's say it's the marketing box. There we go. And then I can add tasks within the box. This is my marketing brochure tasks. All right? So on Producteev, you have many ways to add tasks to your dashboard. And this is the good point. The first one, I just show it to you. Within the project itself, you can create a task. Then you have this green box on the right side. You can add a task from here and just basically drag and drop the task in the right box. The other ways, it's through your IM, through your mobile, through whatever you want. So let me show you quickly how it works, for instance, with the Gtalk bot on Producteev. So this is my Gtalk contact box. This is the Producteev box, new task from the stage. The task has been added. Let me refresh the dashboard, and it will show up in a second in my dashboard. So this is a way to add tasks in bulk. So there you go. This is the task I just added from Gtalk. So you can do the same thing from MSN, from Twitter, from your mobile, from whatever. Okay, so what kind of features do we have on tasks? Quickly, you can set the status on tasks. So you can put it to active, done, pending, and the status will be communicating to your colleagues. So if the task is currently active, it means that you're working on it right now. Set a reminder. Well, you got it. It's basically a way to set a reminder on a task. You can send the task by email, and you can put comments on task. So we have a very interesting feature, which is the channels. The channels is basically a way to get connected to your existing communication channels that I was telling you at the beginning. So those are the channels that I entered. So you can basically enter an email, Windows Live Messenger, AIM, Twitter, and so on and so forth. So we're talking, to those bots in both ways. The first way is to send a task to those bots, and then it's going to upload your dashboard. The second way is to receive notification on them. So if I click on my Gtalk contact, you can see all the notifications that I can put. When a colleague has assigned a task to me, I can receive a notification on my Gtalk application. Same for a reminder. So this is very useful actually. You can receive reminders wherever you want and whenever you want. So that was the first part. This is a sophisticated task management application with a different interface than what you can see right now in the market. The second part, which is a very important one, is the social part. So as you can see underneath, I have all my colleagues. Okay, so I'm connected to those guys. If I want to, let me show you how to assign a task to them. I just drag and drop the task to their name. So let's say I want to assign a task to Geraldine. There you go, she has a new task. If you click on her dashboard, this is the task here in the task assigned box. This is basically an inbox where she will receive all the tasks assigned by other people. So if you go back to my dashboard, you will see that the task I just assigned Geraldine.
1 minute?
There is the avatar on it. It means that the task has been assigned to Geraldine. So you have one also main feature is the live feed. Live feed is like the news feed on Facebook when you have all your events, summing up right there, and you can obviously put, status messages, just like Twitter or Yammer, but we integrated them as a feature on the product. Let me go back quickly to the presentation. So obviously there is a big market opportunity in the enterprise 2.0 world. It's becoming a very big industry in the internet. We're working exactly on this. The business model, it's a freemium business model. It's going to be $1 per user per month, and it's free up to 3 users. And obviously, there's going to be an add-on system where you can pay for the iPhone application, the file storage, and the white label. Last, the team, I'm sorry, I really want to thank them. So I'm the CEO and founder. I've been working for several startups. Eric is the brilliant developer. François is the very, very nice web designer that we have. And you can see the team of investors.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
So once again, don't forget to vote up here.